Today you are going to learn about line plots. So here's a survey that's completed. Students have 1 minute to draw as many 5-pointed stars as they can. However, it's by drawing the outline only. So it's going to take a little bit extra time. Okay, so each person, once they do that, they will put in this case, smiley face. In your assignment, it will be an X instead above the number. So this person here was able to make 10 stars in 1 minute. This person was able to make 15 stars in a minute. This person was able to draw 19 stars. And this person was super fast. They were able to make 26 stars in a minute. Okay? So each of these smiley faces represents a number. So maximum out of all of these responses, which one is the greatest? So that would be this one over here. The maximum number of stars somebody drew is 26. The minimum is the least amount of stars somebody made. The least amount of stars somebody made is 10. Okay, so it's like the smallest number on the number line that still has a smiley face or an X above it. So minimum again is 10. All right, the median is a little bit tricky. The median is the middle number. It's not the middle number on the number line though, it's the middle number of everyone's responses. Okay, so this person said 10 and this one said 26. This is the smallest number and the largest number out of the responses. We're going to keep on crossing off one of each. So a small and a large. A small and a large. There's another 12 here, so I'm going to cross off a small and a large number. Small number, large number. Small number, large number. Small, large, small, large, small, large, small, large. This one is then the one in the middle. Okay, so it would be 16 as the median. If by chance you're stuck with two numbers, well, if they're both the same, like if it's both of these, since they're both 16, it's still 16 for the median. But let's say we're stuck with a 16 and a 15. We have both of them in the middle because if we've already crossed off pairs, we might be left with two of them. That means you'll add those two numbers and divide by 2. And in this case, then it would be 15.5, 15 and a half. So those might come up. And then mode is the most common answer. Just wanted to erase that for a moment. So the most common answer or the most common response means it's the number that has the most things above it. So this one would be 16. Okay. There was 4 people that said 16. Okay. The most common mistake for this is to go by the heights. And you'd be like, oh, there's a 1 and a 1 and a 1. But this is really the number 10, the number 11, 12, 12, 12. And so the number 16, we see 4 separate times. Okay, so 16. And the mean would be you add them all up and divide by how many you have. But there is not going to be any of that on this activity. So going to keep it kind of simple today. Good luck.